Hello, hello, back again, here with a different kind of video. I'm gonna be taking you guys through some of my recent pickups, what I got in the month of March while I was in New York, things I may have gotten online that maybe shipped late, and some sneakers that I've got as well. To kick things off, I'll start with what I got in New York. As you guys may know, I did get the Lakers Fear of God Essentials hoodie. That is gonna be right here. Now, I'm sure you guys had watched the vlog, if not, of my time in New York, of when I got it. But there I'll have like the little snippet of me trying it on. I also wore it in the airport on the way back. The bottom is cropped. The sleeves are cropped. A nice NBA logo. Very comfortable hoodie. Fits a little bit oversized. I think this is a medium. And then plus the crop fit fits a little nicer. Also, while I was in the KITH store at New York, I got, I think it's their World of Champions. Sorry. It is their worldwide cycling tee. So it has a KITH logo just on the front, pretty basic, normal KITH tag. And then the back was my favorite part as someone who is a biker, I would say. It's gonna be their worldwide cycling collection. I thought it was dope. It's subtle. It's gonna be nice to wear in the summertime. Other than it being black and attracting heat, this is something I think I'll wear pretty often. Before KITH, we had went into Zara, and the whole time while I was in New York, I wanted to get a leather jacket. That was like my biggest goal. So I found one in Zara. It was only 50 bucks, I think. And right when I left Zara, we popped into the Vintage Twin, and that was where I saw an entire rack of leather jackets. I was pretty pissed. I was like, dang, I could have just gotten the look I wanted. But this, I mean, it's brand new. Is plush the right word? It's soft to the touch. Inside pockets. And obviously pockets on the outside as well. I got to wear it once to the bars down here. It's nice. Keeps me warm. I mean, it's pretty basic. That's the goal of a leather jacket, in my opinion, no? In terms of clothing, the last piece I got, a little backstory. I ordered on Black Friday of last year, of 2024, and the package had gotten lost. I ordered two pieces. I got a blue hoodie, which you saw I wore in the airport the first day from Mxstood. It's an Instagram brand. And then I got their green jacket. They shipped me the blue hoodie. I had messaged them multiple times, emailed them multiple times about where the second part of my shipment was. And when I got back from New York, this was in the mail. This is what I wanted to wear for St. Patrick's Day, but instead I had to wear my Chim zip up, which is fine. Just, this is the piece that I was longing for to take to New York. But hey, I digress. But this is a very, very unique jacket, and I just realized my friend unzipped the back of it when I wore it the other night. He's funny. But there's a lot of things to kind of cover with this jacket. You have a pocket here on the front, followed by another deep pocket here. Goes the whole way down, as well as a zip pocket on the side. Got a size large. On the other side, you have the kind of embedded plate of Mxstood, and the buckles are really cool. They look like those things in the weight room, but I mean, the pockets in here are insane. Way too many pockets. And then here's the back. Big old pocket on the back. For what? No idea. Maybe to put mail or something. Moving on, last but not least, we got two shoes in the month of March. The first being the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. They are clean, simple, kind of a tan midsole with that ultra blue, the Lucky Short blue around the midsole. There is gonna be a cool size tag on the inside of the tongue. The Jordan logo on the tongue is like a sky blue, which is very different. But I think it's just a simple shoe to throw on. You have some nubuck, which is a little harder material. Definitely wouldn't want to get it dirty though. But to me, these are like an Air Force One Jordan 3. Simple, easy to wear, can kind of go with anything. Best of the best, obviously the best for last, is gonna be the Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick Jordan 4. Cool story to this, I had multiple friends and family enter the sneakers raffle for this shoe, as well as other raffles for this shoe, and it was very hard to obtain. I was lucky enough to get my size. The cool thing about this box silhouette, this collab as a whole, is that the box has the texture of what would be a brick. So everything about this shoe is pretty unique, starting from the heel tab saying Bike Air, which is probably the most noticeable, to the quality of the suede all throughout the uppers. Nothing special on the inside of these shoes, similar to the Lucky Shorts, but the biggest would be the color. I mean, it's an all red sneaker, it's gonna pop. Now, keep in mind, I did switch out the laces. The original laces that were in here were the red. I'd say the biggest difference with these fours is gonna be that toe box with this kind of like tacky, dried up glue feeling toe box. It's definitely different and it has the hint of a white swoosh. Just a unique sneaker. It could be sneaker of the year. That is everything that I've gotten in the month of March. I'll also do the pickups I got for sneakers for the month of April and keep you guys updated on what's to come. But other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. Deuce.